So this is the Blast Chiller.
Yeah, sure.
So October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and your risk is really high. 1 in 13 women will get breast cancer in their lifetime. Women who are going through treatment will need to make sure they eat well. So in fact, soy is protective. And the earlier you start, that means the younger you eat soy foods, the greater the protection is. When your weight is in control, a lot of these cancer risk is brought down. And also exercise does also help to control the female's estrogen levels. And so today we're going to make a 100% natural soy and berry ice pop. So, strawberries and blueberries, about a cup. In fact, I have more than a cup over here. And then I have about a cup of soy milk. And this is unsweetened soy milk.
The fruit.
Some stabilizers.
It's a nice purple. Can you do this with yogurt as well, Bibi? Will it freeze well?
Yes. So I'm just going to pop that into the blast freezer.